So today I'm actually going to go ahead and do a nail haul. I have so much things that I want to show you all. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my gloves because I don't have my nails done and they don't look the best. So I'm just going to go ahead and put on my gloves. So here we have that. And now I'm going to continue on with the video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And let's get right on with this video. So the first thing we have here, which I absolutely thought was super cute, are these Halloween masks. And Halloween is closer than we think when we think about it. We are in June. We have July, August, September, October. Literally 4 months we're going to be in Halloween season. I absolutely love Halloween. It's one of my favorite holidays. Here we have some cute masks. You can do the cutest little nail sets with these. I haven't done a nail set in so long. I definitely have to get back into my creativity and my creative energy and flow because it's definitely necessary for me. And I think for all of us in our own way, whatever way you enjoy your own creativity. So next we have these beautiful, very dainty, very princess kawaii-like fairy dust kind of charms. They are absolutely beautiful and so dainty and so cute. I absolutely love them. You get a really good quantity as well. I got these things a really long time ago. I believe some are from Aliexpress, SHEIN, the typical stores that I usually get my things from. So sorry if I don't remember. It was just so long ago and I just kept it there. So bear with me, I'm sorry. Oh my. Okay. Next, we have these little bats. I guess in today's batch, I just chose a bunch of Halloween stuff, unknowingly. So, here we have these really cute embellishments. They are so beautiful. You can do such great cute looks with them. So, yep, some cute little bats. Then, here we have some flamingos. Yeah, these are flamingos. They're like swimming though, I believe. Yeah. In a way. So they are so cute. They're not swans because swans would be white. So I'm guessing these are flamingos, but we have that here. Okay, then we also have these really pretty hearts. These remind me of like Y2K type of style for some reason. Super cute. Next, we have, I'm not going to take these out because they're so thin and small, but these are individual leaves and they are iridescent and they're colored in different colors. This is really pretty. This is a really nice like floral design or in any design that you want to incorporate those in. Next, we have some like chocolate and vanilla popsicles. Super cute. Kawaii look. That's my second charm that I dropped. I will end up picking them up at the end of the video. That always happens. Here we have some really cute swirl cones mixed with vanilla and chocolate, or maybe strawberry and vanilla. Moving on, we have these really pretty flowers. They are so cute. Oh, I love these. And they're really flat and thin, so they won't get stuck on anything. These dogs are adorable. If you guys look closely, the detail and everything with the Gold bowl, definitely, the bow definitely stands out. I absolutely love that. Oh, and this is definitely one of my favorites. The evil eyes, and we have them in pink, blue, light blue. They are so cute, and even in red, as you can see. I think I got these on Temu or SHEIN, one of those. And it brings a whole lot as well. Oh, and these are to die for, little piggies. I have to make sure you guys see the detail on these. Oh my goodness, how adorable is that? Let me charge my phone before it gives out on me. Okay, there we have that. And these are so cute. They are the cutest Mickey little charms. They are so cute. They're a mixture of two colors. I forgot what that's called. I'm so sorry, guys. It's like late at night and my mind isn't fully there, so I apologize. But they're so cute. They have like yellow on the top and red at the bottom, along with like an iridescent coat over them. And they're so cute. And you definitely get quite a few as well. And this, I believe, is from not Temu, SHEIN. No, not Temu, Aliexpress. Or maybe this is from Temu. I just honestly don't know. And these are really nice embellishments that you can encapsulate. I really like these. They're in gold and rose gold little planets. Super cute. Love that. Here we have these really cute, like Y2K kawaii type of charms, like little figurines. And then here we have a mixture of charms, which I really like. I love these like random mixes. I think they're so cute. So here is what we have, and we also have some more in the bag. These are really cute. These are in the color white, so they just mix a bunch of white charms together. And I love that. So you get all of this. I think this was like $1. So you definitely cannot go wrong with those things. Next we have these cute little donuts, and let's just give appreciation to the detailing on these tiny little charms. The detailing is so cute. I'm definitely a fan of that. I love little intricate details like that. Super nice. Oh, and by the way, this is so random, but I finished I always take 4 classes per semester. I am in college. I don't know if I had mentioned that before. I'm a sophomore in college, and I'm so happy because so far I have gotten straight A's. I am an honors student, and I just finished 2 classes this first session of summer. And guess what? I got A's on both, and now in June, this month, towards the end of this month, I'll start my other 2 classes. Those are session 4, but within the same summer term. So yeah, I am just hoping for the best, but I'm really happy to be getting really good grades. It's not easy, you know, having to juggle everything in my life, and I'm really proud of myself. I know it's super random, and probably most of you don't care, but I just wanted to say that because I thought it was something big for me. Okay, anyway, so here we have these really good, actually really cute 12-piece embellishments, shaped glitter, and they are from Creaology, and I got these at Michael's. So they have a little bit of everything. Let me go ahead. They said this was reusable. I'm not really sure, but let me just cut it. Okay. And I got these really cute scissors that they're small and perfect to cut things like this at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. So let me just, okay, so first we have these iridescent, really cute clouds. That is adorable. Probably too big for a nail, but definitely can cut them in half and put them like on sides of the nails and definitely encapsulate them. Then we have these really cute crescents. How nice. Then we have bigger crescents with faces on them. You'd need like a long nail set for these. Then we have these really cute stars. We also have some more stars, some more really pretty stars. They're all iridescent. We have some silver stars, and these are some blue planets. Really cute. We have some purple planets. Then we have some iridescent purple stars, like color shifting kind of. And then we also have some aqua blue and some iridescent pink, which is so cute. So that's what we have for that. Just gonna leave it out for now. And then next we also have some more glitter from Createology. Throw that out. Oh, and by the way, my dog did turn 8 years old on June 8th. It's kind of sad, you know, when your pets start to age and stuff like that, because you know the time is, you know, clicking for them, but you just try to appreciate every moment you can. I literally had him since I was 2 months old. My parents actually gifted him to me since he was 2 months old, and I've had him ever since, and I love him to death. So here we have some really cute iridescent white cutout stars. We have the cutout hearts in yellow, iridescent as well. Some really pretty yellow iridescent stars, cutout iridescent hearts. Ooh, these are really pretty. They're like transparent type of hearts. Iridescent, some really cute, beautiful flowers. We have some hearts, some more really pretty flowers, some more stars, butterflies. We have some more stars, and we have some more cutout iridescent hearts. I really recommend you guys go to your local Michael's. I think these are either $4 or $5.99, and you get all these packs of glitter. You get 12 packs of glitter. It's literally a steal, and you'll have enough glitter for literally forever. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to get notified every single time I upload. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all in my next upload. Bye.